Ever wonder why banks seem to hold all the cards? Could it be they're not showing their full hand? It's high time we pull back the curtain and shine a light on 7 secrets of banking practices. Well, today we unveil the truth. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. This not only helps us create more videos, but also ensures you're always in the loop with the latest tips and secrets. Remember, we are here to unravel the mysteries and debunk the myths that have you scratching your head. So, don't miss out. Stay tuned for more revelations as we continue to count down the things your bank doesn't want you to know. At number 7, we have the profit from fees reality. Let's start with the fact that banks have a knack for making a pretty penny from fees. Yes, those pesky little charges that pop up on your statement. Overdraft fees, ATM fees, maintenance fees, you name it. It's like a twisted game of gotcha, where the bank always seems to win. But the truth is, these fees are a major source of income for banks. Moving on to number 6, we encounter the credit score catch-22. This is an interesting game of give and take. Banks need you to borrow in order to make money, but they also control your credit score, which determines how much you can borrow. It's a cycle that can feel like a never-ending merry-go-round. At number 5 is the illusion of free banking. It sounds enticing, doesn't it? A bank account that costs you nothing, zero, zilch. But look closer. Nothing in life is truly free, and that includes banking. Most free accounts come with a catch. You might need to maintain a certain balance, have a set number of transactions, or sign up for additional services. If you don't meet these criteria, hello fees. And at number 4, we have the interest rate game. Banks play a delicate balancing act between the interest they pay you for deposits and the interest they charge on loans. The difference, called the spread, is where banks make a good chunk of their money. It's a game of numbers that's tilted in favor of the house. Now, the top 3 might surprise you, so prepare to have your banking perspective shattered. At number 3, we reveal the fine print predicament. Banks are notorious for hiding important details in the fine print of their contracts. It's a labyrinth of jargon, clauses, and small fonts designed to confuse. Buried deep within, you might find hidden fees, rate increases, or other surprising conditions. It's crucial to remember the devil is in the details. Moving on to our second point, the loan approval mystery. Ever pondered how banks determine who gets a loan and who doesn't? It's not just about your credit score. Banks use sophisticated algorithms that consider a range of factors, from your income stability to your spending habits. The decision-making process is shrouded in secrecy to keep consumers in the dark. And now we've arrived at the pinnacle, the number 1 point, the security illusion. Banks project an image of unshakable security, but in reality they're just as vulnerable to cyber attacks as any other institution. Your financial information, despite being under lock and key, is not invincible. And that, my friends, is the number 1 thing banks don't want you to know. Those are the 7 secrets. And there you have it, the truth about banks. Now that you're in the know, the power is in your hands.